Okay, so I've opened up iMovie, and basically this is my video. You can use the slider over here and the little preview video to like fill up the slider at the bottom to make it wider so you can see more details, or you can make it smaller. So I'm gonna just move it a little bit so that it fills up the area so I can see more of the detail. Okay, so that is my intro. If you go to the beginning and press spacebar, it starts to play. Right now I have a song on there from bensound.com, which you can put in whatever sound you want. So this is what the original video looks like. This is what we're going to make. And all this information is like free videos and stuff like that that are on pixabay.com. So like I said, that's the bensound.com music. I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm just going to get rid of the clips that we've already changed and just leave my intro and outro. Just delete them, it's fine. Okay, so I'm going to go into my little area where I can import stuff, and I'm going to find the original clip. Like I said, this is all free content. There. And so it's a video of cars driving at night. So just click on it, drag it down in between my intro and outro. There we go. And I like that transition. I usually use kind of like cross zoom transition. So I'm just going to go to transitions, cross zoom, click on it, and drag it down to here so it matches the one at the beginning. Ta-da! Okay, so the first thing that I did is I split the clip. So click on it, right click, split, and then I went to the part where it goes into the tunnel to split the clip because that looks like a really cool area to transition. So click on it again, right click, split clip. So I think the one at the end, I sped it up. So I went to this little gear and then I clicked on fast. And you can click on 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, whatever. So that's what it looks like. And then I went to the beginning where I split it the first time and I changed the color. So I went to this here, video effects, and then you just pick whatever one that you want. So I don't think I used that one. I think this one looks really cool, actually, bluish. Let's just click on that one. All right, so this is what the clip looks like so far. So I think I'm gonna put another transition in because I just like to have it have that little cross zoom transition between all the clips. Let's just play it again. Basically, this is the final product, except we have like the music at the bottom, which I really, really liked. So all you have to do is like drag the music down to that little bar. Don't drag it under the clip. Drag it under the little area where it has some notes on it, like music notes. And then it'll just snap to the selection or snap to the size of your clip. You don't have to drag it in or any of that stuff. So let's go. I think this is it. And just click on it and drag it down. It'll turn blue. There. And see, it just snapped to the end of the clip. There. So just go to the beginning, press spacebar, and it plays the clip. And you have edited a movie clip. All right, so I hope this has helped you, and please subscribe to this channel. Like I said, I publish videos on this channel every other day, and a new one should be coming out really soon. If you like this channel as well, you can follow me on Instagram, and that's where I post pictures of what we're doing in the radio station every single day. Thanks, bye.